guys, I'm Ava and I wanted to come on here to review this Squatty Potty that was sent to me to review. So it's super easy to put it all together. The legs came just taken apart. They were just all put into here. And then you just take this out, put the legs in, they just snap in here to these holes. And the cool thing about the Squatty Potty is that the legs are adjustable, which is pretty cool. We have two bathrooms. We have one in our other bathroom. I'm gonna put this in the bathroom that doesn't have one. And those legs are not adjustable, which it would be nice to be able to adjust them, but it's really easy to adjust it. It just has this, and you just push it down. So yeah, now they're all leveled with each other. And then it's curved here so it can fit underneath your toilet. And then it scoots along the floor pretty well, but it does have this to kind of hold it into place a bit better. You can see it's kind of like a rubbery texture. It just kind of keeps it into place, but then if you want to move it, it's pretty easy to move it. I personally love using Squatty Potties. It's just more comfortable when you're going to the bathroom. My husband especially, he loves them. I don't know. It just like, my husband bought me one just when I was pregnant and I just actually just use it all the time now. I don't know. It's just comfortable. I always just like to put my feet up on things, but yeah, this one works great. It looks great in the bathroom. It doesn't it's not really all that noticeable. It just blends in with the toilet. But yeah, it's pretty practical with the adjustable legs and it works great. So if you're thinking about getting this, I definitely recommend it.